Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lincoln MKZ key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and your replacement battery or batteries. Most Lincoln MKZ key fobs use either one CR2450 battery or two CR2025 batteries. Having the correct 3-volt lithium battery on hand ensures a smooth replacement. This easy method will quickly restore your key fob's full functionality and range, taking just a few minutes of your time. The first step is to access the emergency key. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and the hidden emergency key will slide out. Carefully remove this physical key and place it somewhere safe. This key is not only for manual entry, but also serves as a handy tool to help you gently open the key fob casing in the next step, so keep it nearby. Now, let's open the fob and replace the battery. Locate the small slot on the key fob casing, often near where the emergency key was removed. Insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry the casing apart until the two halves separate. Carefully remove the old battery or batteries. If your fob uses two batteries, note their orientation. Insert the new battery or batteries, ensuring the positive side faces upwards for proper contact. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all edges match up. Gently press them together until you hear them securely snap into place. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and remote start, to confirm that the new battery is working perfectly and your fob is fully operational.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.